Investing in yourself is the best possible way to get through this thing called life effortlessly and harmoniously. Hi, my loves. Today we're going to talk about why it is very important for you to invest in personality development. There are certain kind of people that we can call rare specimens. And especially in India, I feel that these might be known as a rare species because these are the people who don't allow their feelings to override responsible behavior. Now, what do I mean when I say this? So, for example, there are a lot of people like I used to experience some years ago with my own friends and family and my near and dear ones, that they used to say, Alifa, you've become a little indifferent or you've become a little detached and you don't seem to be feeling that available, accessible as before. And this is what I'd like them to understand, is that what has happened is we are so used to a chaotic, dramatic reactions, overreactions, that when someone behaves responsibly, like maturely, they find it detached and cold. Whereas actually what that person is doing is that that person is being their best behavior despite feeling triggered, despite feeling disappointed, despite feeling like they may have wronged someone or someone may have wronged them. They maintain a very dignified action, behavior, words, and they still act from their triggered state but in a very respectable way. So this might come across as cold or indifferent or detached, but in fact, this person is expressing their utmost love, care, kindness, and concern, because what they're doing is, instead of just giving you a reaction like maybe anger or bad words or abusing you, maybe physically, maybe emotionally, or calling out names, this would be a very immature reaction. However, they might find it more connecting. So I used to often have friends who used to tell me कि यार तू हक से क्यों नहीं बोलती, तू ऐसे क्यों नहीं जताती, and वो मेच्योर तरीका नहीं है, वो सब बचपन में आपके लिए इट वाज नॉर्मल, वो बचपना है. So things that served you in your childhood are not going to be serving you in your adulthood, because childhood में keeping secrets, sugar coating, ये सब चलता था और उससे आपको फायदा हुआ था. लेकिन वो चीज अडल्टहुड में नहीं काम आती, क्योंकि इन अडल्टहुड पीपल एक्सपेक्ट और रादर अप्रिशिएट ऑथेंटिसिटी, ट्रांसपेरेंसी, रिस्पेक्ट, ऑनेस्टी. सो हमारे बचपन की आदतें अडल्टहुड में कोई काम नहीं आएगा. तो हमें एक और चीज याद रखना चाहिए, इज दैट emotional maturity, emotional intelligence, conflict resolution, healthy communication, nobody in the world is born with these skills, right? And our ancestors probably were not aware that these skills are extremely important for a healthy, loving, secure relationship. So that's why they couldn't impart it to us. But thanks to the world that we are exposed to today, thanks to the awareness that we are surrounded by today, we understand that ye jo skills hai, we are not born with it. But what we need to wake up to and realize and become aware is that these skills are supposed to be acquired. So self-development, personality development, personal development, all these things become a very vital part of your life. So if you as an individual are not investing in your personal development, that is emotional intelligence, emotional maturity, communication skills, and conflict resolution, then you are going to be suffering through life. You will be struggling through life. So I really appeal to every one of you watching this video, अपने आप में, खुद में आप इन्वेस्ट कीजिए, क्योंकि थेरेपी, वर्कशॉप्स, प्रोग्राम्स, ये सब चीजें लेके ना आपका एक पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट राइज हो जाएगा, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हेल्थी रिलेशनशिप्स, दैट इज हेल्थी रिलेशनशिप्स विद अदर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड विथ योरसेल्फ एंड विथ मनी. So you will learn how to do life more easily. If you are looking for a life coach and would love to coach with me, please check the description box. You can reach out to me and we can work together for your personality development. Lots of love.